In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event for multiple days on Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set an event that spans more than one day, with clear start and end dates and the right times. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. On the main calendar view, look for the Create button near the top left and click it. From the options that appear, choose Event. This opens the event editor where you'll add your details. Start by giving your event a clear, descriptive title. For example, if you're planning a 3-day workshop, type something like 3-day workshop so it's easy to spot on your calendar later. Next, select the first day the event begins. This initial selection helps anchor the start of the event on your calendar. Once you've set the title and the first day, click Save. Don't worry, this is just the quick create. We'll extend it across multiple days in the next step. Now click the event you just created on your calendar to open its preview. Choose the Edit option, which opens the full event editor with all of the settings. Here, you'll see fields for the date and time. Confirm the start date is correct. If your event runs during specific hours each day, set the start time and the end time for the first day. If it's an all-day event, you can toggle the all-day option so you don't have to manage times. To make this a multi-day event, adjust the end date. Next to the To field, pick the final day of your event. For a 3-day event, that means selecting a date 2 days after your start date. Google Calendar will automatically span the event across the entire range, showing it as a continuous block across those days. Before saving, take a moment to review. Make sure the start date, end date, and times reflect what you want. If you're working across time zones, verify the time zone settings so attendees see the correct times. Optional fields like location, description, notifications, and guests can be set here as well. These don't change the multi-day setup, but they help keep everyone informed. When everything looks good, click Save, return to your calendar view, and confirm the event stretches across the days you selected. If you need to adjust anything, you can always reopen the event and edit it again. That's it. Your multi-day event is now set up and ready to go.